Hello, my name is Dan from Merrick Customer Services. This is the Merrick Deluxe-3 Rotary chain Roman blind headrail. It is available either as a standard made-up headrail in 8 widths from 60 to 300 centimeters, or as separate components with a blind drop of 3.5 meters up to a weight of 3.5 kilograms when fitted with a 1:1 ratio chain drive. For weights up to 7.5 kilogram, a heavy-duty 1:4 ratio drive is also available with or without a child safety breakaway. A continuous loop chain must be used with these drives. As a made-up headrail, it is complete with a white plastic chain with a 2-meter drop. The chain is supplied with a clear breakaway to comply with child safety regulations. Standard headrails can be easily cut to the exact size required. If you would prefer, Merrick will cut them for you and to your requirements, free of charge and dispatch on a next day service. The Deluxe-3 may be upgraded with a metal chain in 8 popular colours, heavy duty headrail drives, or our unique child safety breakaway chain drive. A bead chain joining tool is also available for making chain rings. Alternatively, we have a next day makeup service. The cord drop spools are fitted with a unique, discreet, easy locking system that blends in with the clean, attractive lines of the headrail. The combination of top and face fixed brackets have a slim profile, only requiring 6mm from the wall to the back of the track. They are easily locked and unlocked from the front of the rail when it is in place, allowing the blind track to be taken down and replaced when necessary for decorating, etc. Extendable brackets are also available, extending the track from 75 to 100mm from the wall to clear radiators and windowsills, etc. Please be aware that the finished blind and installation must comply with child safety regulations. Chains without a breakaway must be no lower than 150 centimeters from the floor, and chains with a breakaway must be no lower than 60 centimeters from the floor. The cords on the back of the blind must always be fitted with a breakaway orb firmly attached to the blind to avoid a choking hazard.